Well, Mother Nature is certainly a wonderful, beautiful chick, and we've got to be grateful for all the beautiful, wonderful things she's given to us. I'm on a beach now, about 5 miles out of the loo. It's taken me about 7 hours to walk here. I don't have any sandals. Never mind, I'm going to have a really good time. I'll sign off now. I wish you all a good day, and I'm going to have a good swim. So bye-bye now. Bye. Okay, I'm off now. See ya. Bye. Okay, here's that installed at number 2 in my video diary. Well, I went all the way home and then had my swim. I went back to the loo, and as soon as I got to the loo I was mugged. Yeah, luckily they didn't take my camera, because I realised after they'd mugged me that I'd left it here at the beach. So I've had to walk 7 miles back here again, over the pebbles with bare feet, my camera, and now I'm going to go and have another swim. So, well, I don't care anyway, because Mother Nature's a beautiful chick, and I'm just grateful that she exists. Okay guys, well basically sorry about that guys, I dropped my camera in the stream, and you know, it took me a little while to catch up with it. Luckily it's kind of waterproof, I'm not. So if we take a look at those cows up there, nice big fellows. They get a little edgy. They kind of wouldn't let me go near the bus stop, so I'm kind of walking along the promenade now, trying to find my way back to Civo, and my feet are in a real state. But I'm still quite happy to be here. It's quite an amazing experience. So I'm going to check out now, and hopefully another installment when I get back.